Everyone, welcome. And CandyDrop guys, I'm talking about right now guys new project and live update price and today. And guys, CandyDrop and is get Candy airdrop platform where user and complete tasks and to earn and candy and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch and the Bob token airdrop event and where you can and complete the following tasks and to the earn and candidate share and this total price pool and this guys, this is the bob and with maximum individual share guys and 10,500 bob and details and share of the follow guys. So fast spot trading and full guys and bob and this is the guys and maximum and bob guys 5,000 bob per person and deposit full and guys um this is the 10 million bob and this fixed reward and 500 bob per person guys. So in trend full guys and maximum bob and 5,000 of the bob per person airdrop calculation formula individual candy amount and total candy and of all user price pool guys. So event period guys this November 20, 2025 and December 2 and this 2025 UTC time. This is the guys. So first spot rate and this price pool rules guys. User owes and every first spot rate on of the gateway with Bob achieving a spot trading volume 500 USDT will earn one candy and the total reward full and this guys maximum per person and this is the Bob and reward rule as of the follow. So volume the first export guys trade of the 500 USDT one candy volume one of the first export trade guys and this 1000 USDT and two candid guys. So volume of the first export trade guys 3000 USDT three candid guys. So volume of the first trade of the export and 5000 USDT five candid guys. So volume of the sport and trade guys and 10,000 USD 10 candid guys. So guys deposit and price pool and rules guys and during the event and user net of the deposit guys 1000 USDT held and to eight of the 24 hours and note of the withdraw will and the receipt and candidate base and one of the deposit amount a total reward full guys. So guys, almost guys 1 million bobs and this will be and share and these guys with fixed and this reward and of the 500 of the bob and net deposit and calculate base and one of the bob price and this time of the deposit and cumulative guys net of the deposit on chain and deposit on chain withdraw and redemption on recharge codes and C2C and the sales and any withdraw after and claiming tax and these guys will be also including and net of the deposit data guys. So number two guys and invite fan of the price pool rules and this during the event and for every successful invitation of the invitation of one valid friend and these guys who registration and complete 200 USDT Bob spot trading and you can receive one candy with maximum of 10 candy. All candy holders will share and the price pool guys and this is the price pool with maximum reward and 5,000 Bob per person guys. So note guys to quality as the valid and refer user must of the registration thought of the exclusive event and link and the complete and this guys 200 USDT in a spot trading bob and this guys referral who as this participate on other invitation and camping will not eligible for candy reward at this event, guys. So project introduction, guys, and Bob is building and gateway to Bitcoin DeFi with unlocking the real unity of the world most important and asset, guys. So by fusing and the Bitcoin and um, match and security with Ethereum with vastity of the mm, Bob and create sorry guys and versatility and Bob of the create and with the primer and the destinator for of the Bitcoin liquidity and the application and the guys institution and of the Bob and hybrid and chain and the uniquely and the combine and jet of the proofs and the proof BTC and these guys staking and get and is native breeze and both Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BitBM and Bob and the multi-chain and the gateway lets user and swap and Bitcoin into the any asset or of the deposit directly into the DeFi across and this guy's 11 plus chain and powered by BTC Inters and this token this Bob and this is the official website, this is the X of the website. So let's talking about right now guys, this is the official website token. Okay, I'll accept. And this is the launch bullet staking and the Bob qualify and this win up to 250% bonus token get stake now. This is the staking guys and this Bob and this wallet staking guys and bonus and this is stake now and you guys you stake now and connect your wallet guys. So Bob so the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi guys, and this is the talking about the primer and destination for Bitcoin liquidity apps and institution guys. So layer zero and solve Uniswap, Open USDT, and guys channeling and famous. So this is the user and the translation and the project building on Bitcoin 120 plus and the dex of the volume guys 1.7 billion plus guys. So the Bitcoin DeFi is the opportunity and the decayed and 0.3% and today and just of the 0.3% Bitcoin market and the cap USDT turn of the Bitcoin DeFi and compare of this 30% of for of the Ethereum learn of this about of this Bob Vision guys. So learning of this Bob Vision. So Bob, this is the Bob Vision and I explaining right now guys, so let's talking about guys Bob the vision for of the Bob and the gateway for of the Bitcoin the DeFi. So in the Bitcoin and Renaissance is here and the but still missing one thing guys. So it's been over 2 years since and Bitcoin Renaissance and the began and with and launch of the ordinals and over the year and since Bob made it went to life. So Bitcoin is the world and most valuable and digital asset and the 10th largest and the currency globally and yet and despite its dominance and Bitcoin remain and largely and this untapped in DeFi. So will an Ethereum in a chip and this guys 30% DeFi and TBL uh, and penetration and Bitcoin large adds just of the 0.3%. That's 100x of the growth and the opportunity worth roughly and this 700 5 15 billion in latent of the capital guys. So We are seeing the clear trend and the emerge and the every institution and want to Bitcoin yield and every chain and DF and want to access the Bitcoin liquidity and L2S and fee beating for of the Ethereum to Bitcoin, guys. So major ecosystem form of the Solana and Avalanche 2 and Cosmos and these are launching and BTC, DeFi and camping, guys. So Bitcoin is going and multi-chain and this Bob is doubling and down and lead and this that's momentum. So built on Bitcoin everywhere and Bob is mission always and simple make of the Bitcoin DeFi and success. So, but success does not mean and Bitcoin DeFi only or one of the Bob, it's mean Bitcoin DeFi on every chain and the accessible, secure and this composable we are and this dubbing and down and this Bob hybrid and the multi-chain and Vision Bob is Bitcoin gateway to the Bitcoin DeFi, guys. So one of the Bob most of the secure scale and the trusted Bitcoin DeFi layer and power of the top and tier and this institutional native BTC and this braiding and Bit BM. So Bitcoin and the finality, guys. So the cross-chain and this seamless and access to BTCL and the DeFi opportunity and EUR and form of the Ethereum Solana layer 2S and this by signal unfilled and the Bob of the gateway. So getting betting and Bob and betting that's Bitcoin and DeFi will success everywhere, guys. So the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi on of the Bob and any chain, guys. This is the any chain and Bob. The read blocks and holding Bitcoin DeFi and back, guys. So if and Bitcoin DeFi in sorts of a huge opportunity, why it's stuck 0.3 and this TBL and penetration and because they are a real challenge, guys, and one and trust and current BTC war warfares and rely on multi things and all of the custodians. So models and that's against and Bitcoin thoughts and the Bitcoiner don't of the one and the interest and there of the BTC and this of care of the business. So let's talking about right now. Hmm. Bridge and this UX and the dozen of the chain above and this 40 different of the BTC warfares and lead and this fragmentation and confusion, guys. So UX and the dozen chain and this 14 different BTC were papers and late and this fragmentation and the confusion. So how Bob solved and this challenge and task from Warped and BTC to native and Bitcoin DeFi and today most of the BTC and DeFi is powered by multishing and this base warp of the scale Bob solving and into the phase, guys. Uh, So guys, and sorry guys, and uh, 2 minute rest. Sorry guys, and this back to project and review. And Bob is lobbying and this space and this how to partner entire of this one DeFi and protocol institution to offer secure and reliable BTC yield and this products. So in progress, you hear and avoiding native BTC deposit with Bob on of the Bob powered by Bitcoin staking and finality and bit and BBN reading guys. So just like Ethereum on of the optimized in still and Ethereum and BTC on of the Bob will and simply be in the BTC. So UX flexing and the fragmentation and these guys flexing the fragmentation. So will and the build and the first Bitcoin internet and the system allowing user to swap between and native BTC, Warfare and BTC and the BTC bracket and the DeFi and position with just one transaction guys. Uh, the system is now going and multi-chain and locking one-click access to BTC DeFi on all and the major chain and the multi-chain and bridge and already support all major DeFi chain and part of the relay and profit and the native BTC and by simply integrating and this Bob EBM and just like of the another AVM and just instantly unlocking access the native BTC and deposit and swap for this user and this interrogators. So Bob and hybrid bolts and allow wallet apps and institution to deploy of the BTC into the DeFi and the protocol on other and the chain and without uh, Bob and these guys without needing to integrate those ancient and directly and this board ballots boards and the tokenized BTC yield and the stargains and this as of the ERC20s of the making the easy and this target and the unlock and this additional yield and the buy DeFi on Bob. So Bob's and the hybrid model and secured by Bitcoin and built for the interoperability guys. So at the core and is Bob and multi-chain vision is key and inside of the Bitcoin the only major chain that can be efficiently verified by other guys. So here this way, the matters so touchless and interoperability requires light client mechanism that allow on-chain and the verify and state and the secure and another. So Bitcoin simple enough to verify secure by light client and this the contest and most of the contact chain and this like of the Ethereum, Solana and BNB are too complex the verify on-chain in decentralized of cost and way guys. So that's leads to curical advantage guys. So Bob inherits and the Bitcoin finality and thoughts its Bitcoin secure design that's mean to verify Bob's finally you only need to verify Bitcoin finality and since and the Bitcoin can of the verify and any chain and can verify that's both the secure and final and without trusting and the external validators or multi things. So Bitcoin secure and bits to any smart contract chain guys. This is the Bob chain and almost guys this is the BTC and this chain almost Bob and this is the verified and foundation. So verified BTC verified Bob guys Arbitrum base and Polkadot trend and these guys BSC Solana and these Aptos, Flagon, Sui, almost guys Ethereum, almost guys favorite my token and this as of the result and the major ecosystem Ethereum, Solana, Cosmo, etc. and this Trustly and the Interact of the BTC on of the Bob using and the Bitcoin and share or Trust layer and also allow Bob and secure of the BM the power of the BTC token and to other chain guys. So let's talking about Bitcoin become and the universal and trust anchor and Bob of the become secure and gateway and connecting and BTC to the rest of the DeFi as roadmap rolling out of the gateway and top of tier and the BTC DeFi and Bob and the build and this one of the DeFi institutional and this support on of the Bob and already and leading the Bitcoin ecosystem. So launching and this multi-chain gateway and launch multi-chain BTC and the swap and the hybrid yield and this bit position and Bob is the gateway and to BTC DeFi on all of the major chain guys. So active pet native and this BTC and the deposit of these on of the Bob and these guys roll out and the BTC is taking final and this bit BM and the power of the deposit to make up this BTC DeFi on of the BOA Bob truly and the native and this most of the secure in the industry guys. So expand of the BTC secure and base and the driven and the going and BTC activity across chain and this selectivity and deploy it. Trustless and the Bitcoin secure and bits and TWI ecosystem with high BTC and transaction volume and user demand guys. So final thought of the Bob and the bit and bit on of the Bitcoin DeFi Bitcoin the most of the powerful and monetary and the asset and but it's has not of the yet and the center of the DeFi at of the scale and the Bob is the secure and the multi-chain and gateway that's bring in the Bitcoin into the next of the generation the finance the Bitcoin DeFi on not live and on just one chain and this but of the it needs on sharing of the coins. So the it's Bob of the getting on Bob is the betting and the secures on the success of Bitcoin DeFi. So it's taking and the Bob is taking guide and this is the Bob holder guys. So I talking about right now guys Bob is taking that and every Bob holder can immediately the put there and token and work and receive and up to 250% bonus for staking and time locking there of this Bob. And guys, so the gateway and the Bitcoin of the Bob and the staking guide and this is the Bob and staking is the live earn and the reward will and the helping secure the gateway Bitcoin DeFi and additionally by time locking and this stake Bob and token and this power of the fiat and time as taker and immediately claim one of this token and bonus and up to 250%. So why is the Bob token? And Bob is the native token of the Bob hybrid engine and design and for other security governments and Unity it will allow an all user and builder and other stakeholder activity and they contribute the token and the network thought of the staking and the decentralized governments guys. So the security stake and delegate and the Bob token is hybrid nodes and the secure Bitcoin finality providers and the BITEM bits and the operators, the block and the builder and gateway and solver on the Bob network and Bob token delegation and function as of the ranking and mechanism and identifying and this hybrid nodes and with of the most of the community and trust of support guys. So governments and both use self and delegate and you token and governments delegate and both or be help and the direct and where is the Bob has of heads in the future and governments will of the cover update and the score of the Bob and components including and the network BAT, and Bob Gateway as well and the treasury spending and protocol unity Bob token and holder may of the receive priority and access will of this Bob future and discount guys. So this is the protocol unity token holder and the may receive and priority access to and the new Bob and future and discount guys. So staking and Bob token guys BOB 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 token and as the part of the Bob token loans and we are staying and to build and the economy security thought the introduction of the Bob staking and user will be able and to stake and delegate to Bob to hybrid and nodes and these hybrid nodes and will have two main function and with the launch and of the Bitcoin finality in the early 2026 guys. So providing an finality to the Bob by Bitcoin staking Bob token and stake and the become and finality providers and FP and for of the FPS and the earn of the higher and sharing and the fee of the fee guys. So operate BIT, and Bob, the native BTC bytes and Bob, BOB Bob token and are of the stake and the quality as of the as a BIT, and offer and for of the operators to earn and higher share of the fee guys. Fish. So, in initially staking what will be found by the Bob sorry guys, DAO and DAO and fed in Bob token and this is so Bob Foundation has of the time fully prepared and the test and the system and before phase two rolls out guys. So early time lock and bonus. So everyone who has taken this time lock and they are of the token during the 16 day and the TZE will receive Bob the token will bonus and reward believing the long term and the potential of the Bob. This because available to Bob token holder and including airdrop and reception sale and the participate and the user acquiring in the open market and first come of the serve and the until of the allocation budget and is depleted. So by selecting the longest and time lock an option and you are domestic and you are believe and Bob your vision and future and progress additional significantly large and token allegation and its token brief and the signal you are status on this committee and immediately and grants and the increase and voting power of the protocol and governance guys. So Bob the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi early time lock and bonus of up to 250% and a stake and lock up to BOB Bob during the first and 16 day after TZE Telegram 2 and qualify and for of the token of the bonus guys. So 3 month lock up 25%, 6 month lock up 50% and almost 80 month of the lockup 250% of the bonus guys. So it's taking you what the stake and Bob token receipt is taking reward is the staking APR is the determined by the Bob DAO and is comprised so for as of the follows. So 5% base is taking APR and plus 45% early staking and boost and during the first 2 months and plus 5% additional APR for delegating and Bob is taking the hybrid node of the operator. So 5 plus 5% additional APR and the delegating BOB Bob is taking yourself to governments and the delegate for the purpose of the voting in the Bob and government's process, guys. So the maximum is taking APR during the first 2 months and is of the 60% of the continuing the at of the maximum 50% APR and this thereafter two and the receiving maximum APR stake and the token must be delegate to the both and the hybrid node and governments and delegate guys. So the staking reward apply to total stake and amount including your bonus and compounding and rewards and the must of be manually and claim and to added to stake and this time lock the balance guys. So Bob, the gateway and Bitcoin DeFi early BIR divide is taking reward up to 60%. Bob is taking APR is the boosted by 45% during the first of the 16 day after Telegram guys. So base of this APR 5% APR early but is taking reward boost for fast 16 to 45% boost and the APR and additional APR for delegate and two the hybrid node and for plus 5% APR and additional APR for the delegating and two government guys plus 5% APR. So how to unstick right now. So locket stake and can too be unrestricted until the time and period gas of 3, 6 or 18 month of is complete simple stake and Bob with uh, no lock up can be unstuck and at any time. So, guys, if stickers and would you like to unstick and there are the unlock bob and there are two option both require the full amount to be unstuck, not of the fertile unstacking is possible. Side. So regular unstaking guys start and unbound and request and wait the 7 day and before you can reclaim your token once unbonding has of the has of the convenience. It can be cancelled for speed and up to you and you stake and stop earning and yield and during this window. So in instant withdraw guys, it is the possible instantly withdraw and without waiting the 7 day and bonding and fiat and to the complete but and early withdraw less and fee and the 5% of the total staking balance will be changed and this total balance including to the stake and any pending reward, guys. So confirmation and for the different and the time lock level to the worker an example below and compares and how many and tokens some of the could you hold and if you are locked by and guys 10,000 Bob token for the different time lock of the field, guys. So this is the staking bonus plus APR compound over the time, guys. So initial claim lockup period after 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months, guys. Guys, so manage your stake in the Bob app and staking lives inside Bob apps and this is the Bob Go and this Go and Bob and XYZ staking form of the signal and dashboard you can and check your position view the total stake and balance and add to your stake and increase your stake amount in one click if your token are locked will this will add your locket and balance but not of the increase the duration up to lock up the field, guys. So delegate to hybrid and nodes and these governments and to for of the increase APR. So withdraw and star the 7 day and the unborn and or switch and the instant withdraw an option and guys taking unbonding if you are request a withdraw see you when you are token will be ready to claim, guys. Guys. So this is the balance, this is the staking and Bob staking and this is the uh, guys how to staking, guys. So shape the future of the Bitcoin DeFi and early stake will play to circular role and is Bob is the mission and to unlock and until and for of the Bitcoin our generation most of the important asset and whether you are a DeFi user, Bitcoin, and a enthusiast and holder and node of the runner and builder or institutional and this operator you say in is the future of the Bitcoin DeFi account and come and build on Bitcoin with us, guys. So I already talking about right now, guys. Mm, Bob and Layer Zero unlock one-click access to native BTC liquidity for of the 15K DEFs on of one on 11 chain, guys. So Bob Bob is launched in the first and trust and the minimize one click and this of ramp and the connecting and native Bitcoin to the 11 layer 0 and support chain and this bit go and the institutional gate of the warp thread and the BTC asset, guys. So the try to gateway and this is the link and this stimulant and the interoperability and system lets user easily access the native BTC thought of the W and BTC of T and buys and the bars bears will and the giving nearly and these guys 50,000 of the decentralized application on and this 11 Measure and blockchain including an Ethereum and Blends and the base and BNB and this on-chain and the simple one-click access the native BTC and burst of the liquidity and this are base user base and by the Bob and Gateway SDK and many and this chain and this did not and previously have the direct and routers and the available to native BTC guys. So this is the update and Bob of the Gateway move and BTC, WBTC and bit in all connected and the chain guys. So BOB Bob and Layer 0 unlock and one-click access to native and BTC liquidity and 4 of the 15K of the D app and on-chain and these guys Layer 0 and this Bitco and this is the chain guys and this Alexin and Jamet and co-founder Bob said guys this is the upgrade in the major step and forward in our mission and to Mac and Bob and the gateway to Bitcoin and the DeFi by making a WBTC, WOFT and the instantly accessible and the thought of the BOB Bob and gateway we are giving and the thoughts and the of the apps and the across and the model mention and easy and one click way to integrate and native of the BTC and on ramps. So this is the steering and the move that is the directly elegant with the workflow and priorities and improving access to the BTC and the driving and this seamless and user experience with the native BTC now flowing and into the WBTC and on the OFT and thought BOB Bob we are making in easier and that's a bar and people 2 foot and there are the Bitcoin for our work and the DeFi guys. So Bitcoin uh, intense and plus general messing passing guys. So by the eliminating and the complex breeding and process for of the user and enabling and direct and conversion and that's to inform of the native BTC and Bob and gateway and the simplifies access and the going and this multi-chain DeFi ecosystem and built around the WBTC FT. So far by Bob Bitcoin Intelligent and System Layer 0 and WOPTN standard and the integration delivers and secure Bitcoin liquidity across chain and this margin and Bitcoin in intents and the general and masses and passing rate and this very capital and this efficient and this model and this interpolativity and building and Bob recent and upgrade and of the BTC and the layer 0 OPTNS standard guys. So for the both institutional individual holding and native BTC and the Bob gateway enable and one click and transfer and these guys and of the invention and the, for example when deposit DeFi and returning and fund of the native and BTC to take of the profit guys. So additionally, the nearly gas and 50,000 decentralized application on the 11 WBTC OFT and connected and chain and now have the opportunity to the implement one click.